Welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is Bluetooth headphones by Tsumbay, wireless sports earphones with the mic, bass, and this is pretty exciting. This is the IPX7 waterproof HD stereo sweatproof earbud. Secure fit for gym, running, workout, and up to 8 hours of battery life. And it also offers noise cancellation headsets. This one is they offer at Amazon. And then if you're a Prime member, you get a free 1-day shipping. Currently is $21.89 right now. So, like I said, it offers IPX7 waterproof. It has a comfort fit, bass sound, 8 hours of playing times, and then it has a hands-free calling. And it offers CSR 4.1 plus EDR, and you can connect the two devices. It also gives you a iOS battery level display. And the IPX7 waterproof with the nano coating protect against rain and sweat. It has a 5-star comfort fit, precision design, and premium soft material. Offer remarkable wearing comfort. And has a stable pair and superior sound. Feature the latest Bluetooth 4.1 EDR technology and incredible sound quality with the deep bass. 8 hours of playing time, no worry about low power when you are outside. And it offers a 1-year manufacturer warranty. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. What's that? Thank you note. And this is a description that comes with it. Well, it's bubble wrap. It's made by Tsumbay. Okay. This is the TS-BH20. Let me show you guys the the 360 view of the box real quick. And this one is made in China. So it uses a 3.7 volt and the capacity is 100 milliamp. Charging time is 1.5 hours, so it allows you to use up to 8 hours, and standby times up to 240 hours. All right, so let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. There you go, Tsumbay. So you got this nice colorway, black and then red. It's kind of remind me of Beats headsets. So it comes with this nice pouch that you can store your headset in there or earbuds. And this one you can has a string, so you can tie it, so you won't lose it. Come with the user manual instruction. And then those are in the different languages. So give you guys a quick look, real quick. Some of you guys might be from out of country, international. This is like so many different languages, which is good. All right, that is that. Let's go ahead and then unbox the earpiece. So it comes with this USB to micro USB charging cable. And you got this extra ear rubber piece. And this is that black, I'm not sure what's this one for, but I'm gonna check it out. Probably to so you got your controller right here on the top. There's a positive, the volume control, plus or minus up there. And then on the bottom there is your charging port right there. And on the other side, there's none. So it shows right R for right hand, your right side of ear, and then there's a L for the left hand side. And then you just hook this around your ear. Seems like pretty comfortable and soft, because you don't want anything that is very hard, and after you wear a long time, your ear is gonna hurt or around your head. So this is pretty flexible and then comfortable. So, and you got this short wire that loop around your back of the neck, and then after you use it, you could just hook it on your neck when you do something like an exercise if you don't want the earpiece around your ears. Okay. So this is my unboxing video for this Tsumbay sports wireless sports headset, and this is IPX waterproof. The model number is TS-BH20. I will include a link that is going to show them in the description, so you go ahead and then check them out, and if you like, you can go ahead and then purchase them. All right. So please be sure to like this video and then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and then turn on the bell for notification. Please also share this with your family on social media. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right? Like always. Peace.